Alright guys, we're here in downtown Chattanooga, and it's a nice day out. It's a little bit late in the evening, and we're going to take the Mach 1 out, cruise around downtown, mostly behaving. I think my girlfriend and I were planning for Cars and Coffee this weekend in Nashville, but this is what we got for today. So she will be the camera man / woman in the passenger seat, and let's go. Getting these directions from?
It's fine. They're just doing construction and stuff.
Go fucking here, I'm gonna hit this fucking Porsche.
Alright guys, thanks for taking a drive with me. See you next time.
Well said.
No, you're good.
You did good, you did good. Alright guys, so that'll about do it. Went for a little drive in the Mach 1, and we're hungry, so we're gonna head on to the house. I think maybe for the next video, I just might let her drive it. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye!